While I am going to welcome all of you, I want to highlight two things. Why this CIC inauguration now? And number two is why you should be part of CIC. Why is CIC inauguration now? While we are technically or legally formed in the March 2019, so we conceived this idea in September 2018, we are legally incorporated in March 2019 as a Section 8 company. When we incorporated, we said we want to inaugurate. Myself and our Pro-Chancellor Abdul Qadir sir were discussing, do we need to do a housewarming ceremony or can we put all the things in place inside the incubation center? Can we not at least form 5 startups? And then we call this incubation center inauguration. So that's how we postponed our so far called inauguration from March 2019 till little later date. That is the time we got the good news from BIRAC. BIRAC said, okay, we are sponsoring you the 1.8 crore grant, BioNest grant. Then we said that, do we do it now or can we establish the facilities, get some biotech startups and then do it little later. So, in fact, many people are asking, Parvez, we know CS is active for a long time, then why this inauguration now? So, technically this is more of inauguration. I would rather call it as a celebration of our success for the last 11 months. So, this becomes a celebration only because of BIRAC. So, I thank BIRAC, Dr. Manish, who has to, last minute, he has to be in the ministry, so he could not make it. So, Dr. Chaya Chauhan came as a representative. In fact, the first person I know in BIRAC is Dr. Chaya Chauhan. The beauty of this whole grant is, till we receive the final approval letter, I haven't met her at all. It was only in the email communication. That is the type of transparency BIRAC has demonstrated in this country. So, thank you so much, madam, for coming. And next, I would like to welcome Dr. Mohit Gambhir, MHRD Innovation Cell. Almost we both born together in the year, 1 year before MHRD Innovation Cell. They have started, they are very active. Sir will talk about more detail. And we are one of, they call Institution Innovation Council. So we are one of the active Institution Innovation Council. So these are into the same startup support in different forms. And MHRD is being very, very active in this. And it has done so much of activities. So thank you, sir. I welcome you, sir. Then I would like to welcome Dr. Suresh Kumar, President of Incubator Association. After joining this 1.5 years as a CEO of the Incubation Center, I understand how complicated job it is. I lost so much of my hair. So I still wondering, Dr. Suresh Kumar is continuing as a CEO for the last 20 years in PSG Incubation Center and done one of the very marvelous job. And ISBA, where he is the president, ISBA is the 100 members, incubator members are the, it's a national association for incubators. And he is extremely doing a nice job. And I consider all my seniors in the ISBA as my gurus and mentors. In fact, I went and visited 30 incubation centers once I joined. I said, I coming from corporate world, I don't understand incubation. So whatever incubation I know is just taught by my gurus like Suresh Kumar, Bala and everyone. Thank you, sir. I welcome you, sir. So, next I would like to welcome our Mr. Chandu Nair, our Board of Advisors. So when we created this structure, thanks to our Pro-Chancellor Abdul Qadir, he said that we should have the experts who are in the incubation should guide us. So fortunately we have 3 jewels, I would say, in our advisory board. 2 of them could not make it today. One is Mr. Taslim Arif, who is the director of CCAM. CCAM is, I would say, one of the best biotech incubator in the country. So when we started biotech, we said we want to learn from them, and then it is really good for us. We are lucky that we convinced Dr. Taslim Arif to be part of our advisory board member. Thanks to Mr. Abdul Qadir, who has convinced him also. In fact, on a lighter note, I used to say that 11th and 12th I hated biotechnology group. So I didn't expect that 12-15 years later I will become the bio-incubator CEO. So, but Taslim Arif has been extremely supportive for us, guiding. Of course, now I'm also learning, reading a lot of biotech, like CRISPR-Cas9, low glycemic index and whatnot. So, Taslim Arif could not come today. He sent his blessings. Mr. Chandu Nair is also our advisory board member. He has been an entrepreneur, investor, Chennai angel, and we are very so lucky that they are spending their time with us. And Mr. Reggie Joseph, who is also on the way, will join with us soon. So I welcome you, sir. So there is no doubt Dr. B.S. Abdur Rahman was a very successful entrepreneur, one of the South Indian conglomerate. And when we started this incubation center, every family member has supported us. Though we just started without much clarity. Every family member has supported us. So, but it is primarily, as you all know, I just joined in 2018, came from corporate background. Just because I convinced and came here, only because of Mr. Abdul Qadir, who has this inspired his vision to me. Otherwise, I would not even understood what is incubation. So he has that passion. He himself a Chennai angel. He himself invested in companies. And moreover, he is now become the venture capitalist also as a limited partner in Inventors Capital India. So thank you, sir. I think you have been our inspiration for doing this. So the only board director who never asked me any questions, only give blessings is Kali Bari, sir. So I thank you so much, sir. I think all the time, if you want anything download, I will go to him. So other directors upload me things. So thank you so much, sir. Yeah, it's been our pleasure that you have come here. And Ahmad Ubari, sir, I was so inspired by his vision, the scalability. Now we are talking in startups about scalability. They say innovation doesn't matter, the scalable whether. So he is the man who talks about the scalability. 3 days before we were discussing about how 1.5 billion valuation this CIC will create. You don't believe our current valuation of 36 companies is 500 crores. I did proper valuation. So Ahmad Buhari's target is very tight, but he walked the talk. He has created a $1 billion company, so he deserves to talk about this number. Thank you so much, sir, and you are very inspiring. I welcome Madam Mariam. She has been very supportive about women entrepreneurship. Thank you, madam. Your presence motivates us. So now I also welcome our. So as you know, though we operate as an independent entity, we are part and parcel of the university. So the university has supported us a lot, and I welcome our Vice Chancellor in charge, Professor Pir Mohammed, who said that the future of present is only CIC. The first day when he talked to me, he told me about this. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the confidence you have. And for me, the insider man is our registrar, Dr. Azad, who has doing the dual hat of registrar as well as the director of CIC. Whenever I go for approval, I said, sir, you only have to receive it also. So please give it. So he has been kind enough to give that. So thank you, sir. You are always helping us. And I welcome our keynote speakers, our deputy registrar, who has been smiling and all the time and then supporting us. Our Jalal sir, who has been very instrumental in giving that 25,000 square feet in just one day, identified and helped us. So I welcome our mentors, Dr. Meera Nair and Dr. Vinil Sumantran, who are the experts, and Ms. Aguila from Dai Chennai, Dr. Saravana Kumar from Mehta's Hospital, Mr. Arvind from our alumni as well as the CEO of World Data, Sunita, who all the way flew from Bangalore, Indian Venture Capital Association. You are carrying checkbook in your bag, Sunita. She has 100 venture capitalists as members. So I welcome all the deans, directors and HODs. the last one which I want to say is why you want to be a part of CIC. Our Pro Chancellor will talk more about what CIC is doing. But one thing I would say the success what we have done in this last 11 months is our team. So I want to introduce our team. So I have been projected all the time. Prem is our incubation manager. He didn't go to the home for the last, he stayed, he has made ready the bedroom, small kitchen, everything there, guest room. So he has come from CII. So one thing we were very careful, Abdul Qadir sir told us, choose a person in incubation center who has more experience in incubation, entrepreneurship, something to do with that. So Prem has been last 10 years leading CIA entrepreneurship wing called BYSD. So he has touched 1,000 grassroots entrepreneurs. In fact, I would say he has more entrepreneurial experience than me. I more come with a corporate background and mix. Thanks Prem, you are spearheading that whole thing. Next, I would like to introduce Dr. Nisha. Nisha is PhD in biotech. She has worked in a similar incubation center who has got the Bionest grant. So known face to BIRAC. When we got the BIRAC grant, we said that we want to hire someone who knows this subject. So Dr. Nisha, who has supported a lot of women entrepreneurs, now joined with us. And she has, as you know, in few months she has done a lot of work. Thank you Nisha for joining us. So next is Akshay. So as he said, we don't poach people. In fact, when I took Nisha also, I called her boss, who is another CEO like me. So I said, Nisha would like to join here with us. Do you have any objection? He said no. So similarly, Akshay is working in TiE Chennai. He has been working with investors. He has been working with angel investors and Sir Reggie sir, please join. So he has been working with that. So Akshay, can you say hi? Yeah. So Akshay is our assistant manager who joined recently from TiE Chennai. Thank you, Akila madam. I think you have created a product and then handed over us. And Dinesh is our scientific officer. He has been an entrepreneur previously. He has set up very state-of-the-art center of life science, which you are going to inaugurate in the afternoon after lunch. So you should come and see. Thanks, Dinesh. He has been very silent and on the ground. So I also would like to introduce our accounts officer, Yasmin, who has a lot of very good Middle East experience. I forget accounts. She takes care of everything. And on the ground, there are two pillars, what we call for CIC. One is this Kavi, which you all know, and then Karthik. So they are all multi-talented. Sometimes all the artistic work in our incubation center are done by them. It is in-house, we are not outsourced. And Karthik himself is the DJ. So the last thing I wanted to say, why you want to be part of CIC is our team strength. You see all the industrialists, DNA of Dr. B.S. Abdul Rahman, who has been pioneering industry for years, they are all part of our board. In fact, our S.M. Buhari sir, who could not come, and Arif sir, who could not come, our chancellor, they have been pioneering ETA group when they were in Dubai. And so we have all this DNA, plus we have all this support as executive team. So I wanted to finish with one Tamil saying, Ippadai Thorkin, Eppadai Vellu. Means, if this team lose war, then which team will win war? With this, I welcome all of you. And I request our, now our chief guest, Dr. Manish, will address the gathering.